Okay, so in this video, I'm going to discuss all the cool bonuses that I have for you once you partner with Team Rise and activate your BuilderAll business plan. I'm going to also give you a sneak preview inside of our team training site and some other cool things that you are going to have access to when you partner with either me or anyone else on Team Rise. And when you join BuilderAll's business plan, you will have these great bonuses to share as well. Okay? So, I'll see you inside. Hey everyone! So, when you partner with Team Rise, there's no need to reinvent the wheel. There's no need to create new training, especially if you're a newbie, not unless you want to. But as soon as you learn something new, be sure to share that to begin to attract people to you. Now, keep in mind, our private team area is constantly growing. Our founder is constantly adding new funnels and bonuses back here for us to share and brand ourselves. Okay, so you'll get access to the 7-day Getting Started Marketing Bootcamp, where you'll learn attraction marketing. You'll have access to the Email Marketing 101 funnel and share funnels, and more niche specific as a giveaway like this Affiliate Marketing for Beginners funnel. Now this funnel was built specifically as a giveaway free marketing course that will brand you as the expert, because the key to increasing conversions is to brand yourself and to become that authority in your niche. Okay, now of course you can leverage things that already exist, but if you're brand new and you're kind of shy about putting yourself out there, okay, but ultimately if you want to build a big business, you need to stand out. There are some cool and major share funnels that you will have, but I will go over them in a sec. Okay, so you also have some lead generation and traffic resource bonuses as well. All right, so let me just go up here. Hey everyone! So when you partner with Team Rise, there's no need to reinvent the wheel. Getting started. There's no need to create new training. Just so you have an idea of what you have. Okay, let's go down here. Okay, so you will have how to start achieving your goals, different doors to BuilderAll, promoting on social media do's and don'ts, how to sponsor your first 3 partners. There's building your invitation funnel right here. Okay, basic marketing strategies, my daily method of operations, and I've got there's some video marketing and keyword strategy basic bonuses right here. You also have the solo ads providers bonus inside, as well as swipe file bonuses. Okay, and you'll also have some follow-ups for existing funnels that exist in BuilderAll. Okay, and in your email marketing 101, this will show you what kind of emails to send out and what kind of subjects you should be writing about. Okay, and then there is this magic share funnel. With Team, okay, and this funnel will trigger a 7-day free trial sign up into BuilderAll. Okay, and there's also a step-by-step instruction on how to do that. Plus, you'll get access to my share funnel, which is really cool, because that will cut down on your design and copyright time. Okay, all you have to do is switch out some stuff and import this funnel, like switch out your pictures and switch out your links, and then you're ready to go. Okay, and there's the 7-day follow-up funnel plus emails for the BuilderAll business, and you'll be shown how to create a follow-up funnel, which really helps to increase your conversions. And it's actually a training course that my partners can give away that brands them, and you could run solo ads to this. You can run social media traffic to this, and it's all value based, and it's got a 5-day email follow-up course already created for you, and it also has a tripwire offer already included inside the funnel. Okay, so there's no need to go off into tech overwhelm trying to create a tripwire offer. Okay. So there's just different resources that I have available for my partners to take advantage of, and you'll also have access to our Team Rise support group. Okay. Now our sponsor is a copywriter, so she'll write copy for anything we're promoting, and she'll add it back here for the team to help jumpstart our business. So you get all those bonuses, and you'll get swipe copy, and we're going to be doing webinars. As a matter of fact, we are doing webinars already. So if you want to be part of Team Rise, if you see yourself fitting in, you want to sign with a team that will actually teach you and support the growth of your business while you build the Builderall business. All you have to do is click on the link right below this video. And as a bonus, I'm going to hook you up with a 7-day free trial of Builderall when you enter your name and email inside of the website, where you'll find the links in the description box. Okay? So make sure you check that out. There is no obligation, no credit card required. You can hop and sign and get a 7-day free trial of Builderall. And once you activate your business plan, you will be part of Team Rise officially, and you will get access to all of the training, all the resources, plus group coaching. Plus, our founder is working on some automated webinars to help our partners grow. Okay? So you will get access to all of that for free once you are partnered with us. So this has been Gloria Walker, Builderall business partner and coach, and I'll see you on the next video, and bye for now.